Hello, traders. How is it going? How is it going? Can you guys hear me? How is it going, guys? Good morning, everyone. Hello, can you hear me in the comments? Can you hear me in the comments? If you can hear me, just type loud and clear in the comments. Loud and clear, please. If you can hear me, just type loud and clear in the comments. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel, just quickly click the subscribe button so that you will always be notified, because I've been checking the comments. Most of you don't know the timing when we actually go live. So all you just need to do is subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever we go live or whenever I post new videos and the rest. So quickly click the link, and also share the link to this live section and inform everyone that we are live now. So we go live here every Tuesday, 9 a.m. West African timing. So that's when we'll go live. Quickly share out the link. So we're fully active for the year. If you are still sleeping or, playing around, it's time to get serious, time to make good money out of the chat. So if you have your favorite pairs you also want me to analyze, you can go ahead and drop that in the comments. So if you're just joining us for the first time, you can also state your name. Okay, I can see someone typing fully active in the comment. If you are active, if you're ready and fully, just type active in the comments. Are you ready? Are you active? Type active in the comments. If you're joining for the first time, state your name and where you're joining me from. This is Happiness Hansen. I'm a Forex trader, and this is 2025. So I started trading, that's the year 2020. So this is 2025. So I can literally say that I have 5 years experience in the trading industry. So what I do here is to teach you how I trade literally. So if you've been watching the videos on my channel, the strategy I trade with, we literally come live here to make good money together. And remember, stop the demo play. It's time to go live. It's time to start making good money out of the chat. So stop playing around with demo. When you're joining this live section, you join with your live account, because we are making clean money. We're going to trade together in here. You trade with me and make good money. You trade with me. If we hit losses, we'll make the losses together. We'll make the profit together. There is no fear. We trade fearlessly. So I can see those joining for the first time. You're welcome. You're welcome. Danny from Imo State. If I'm from Lagos, I can also see. Okay, you're welcome. David from Abuja. Mercy from Canada. You're welcome. You're welcome. From South Africa, you're welcome. US, you're welcome. You all are welcome to our live trading section today. So it's time to pack out funds. We're already looking at the chart XAUUSD. So that's what we're going to start with. Let me know if Go traders are in the house. Go traders, are you here? Toby from Kano, you're welcome. You all are welcome. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're joining me from. So currently I'm live from Qatar, but I'm a trader from Nigeria. So let's get started. Go traders, are you in the house? Are the Go traders here? Okay. So let's get started. We are having massive spikes from gold. So you know the drill. If you are here, you know the name of the strategy we trade. For those that are just joining for the first time and they may not know the strategy we are trading, just quickly drop the name of the strategy we are trading with in the comments. Quickly drop that in the comments. Quickly drop that in the comments for those joining for the first time to know. Okay, SMC. So that's what we trade. Smart money concept is a very simple strategy that will help you trade with peace of mind. So whatever I'm putting out here is just how you need to trade. You don't need to, start stressing yourself with a lot of things on your charts. It's just a simple way to trade with peace of mind and make your money. If you're making your profit, you have reasons why you're making your profit. If you are making losses, you have reasons why you're doing that and you correct it immediately. So this strategy, it's all encompassing to tell you where to put your SL, where to put your take profit, when to break even and the rest, because you're working with what you see on the chart clearly. So we're going to start today by looking at XAUSD. Checking the comments, it's obvious that gold traders are in the house, and I trade gold too. Gold is one of my favorite commodities that I trade. So we're going to start from the daily time frame. Guys, all hands should be on deck. There is no time for taking premature entries. Do a clean analysis and make sure you stick to the strategy and make good money. So let's get started. We are looking at the daily time frame, guys, and we're going to read the market structure and refine all the way down to our entry time frame and know if there is a trap for us, guys. Okay, so looking at XAUSD, I'm going to start reading the structure from this level that is here. You can see that market has been pushing up and then we have a little range here. So, but mainly looking at it like this, we may think the market is ranging, but we need to read every nook and cranny of what is going on here on the charts for us to know the next line of action. So when looking at the charts, you don't just open the chart and start buying or selling. You need to understand the structure that the market is creating. So now we have a break of structure to the upside and another one to the upside like this. We have another one to the upside. So we've been getting all these breaks to the upside. This is also a tiny break of structure here. That's from here. And then we also have another break of structure here. Then this is also a break of structure. That's the last break of structure to the upside. Okay, so after we got this break of structure, now the next thing we have here, price cleared the origin that caused the most recent break of structure, giving us a change of character. So if you're just joining, we are analyzing gold and we are trying to understand what is going on and the next line of action to take. So we have a change of character here. And from there, we also got a break of structure because price cleared this origin that caused this break of structure here. So we also got this break of structure to the downside. So checking it, you can see that the market came back into the origin that caused this change of character. It tapped into the FVG. So from the higher time frame, from the daily time frame, you can see it reacted off the FVG here. That's the imbalance that's caused the change of character. It reacted off that level and it has been dishing out a sell from that level. So let's go to 4 hours. We've gotten the structure from the daily time frame. Let's read what is going on from 4 hours. Now, if you check from 4 hours, the FVG that price reacted, from the daily time frame is actually an order block from 4 hours. So I'm going to clean this and map it out clearly. So this is it from here. That's this particular order block here, this one here. That's where price reacted from, and after it dished out this break. So market is still reacting there. It's yet to give us a new break of structure to the downside, because if we want to get another break, let me arrange this. We need price to break this level. So the question now is gold bullish or is it bearish? That's the question for us. So what do you guys think? Do you think gold is bullish or bearish? So price has reacted here. It has dished out a sell, but the buyers are still trying to push up. Now, if we want to keep selling gold, we need this level to break. So now that's the question, is gold bullish or bearish? We also have this internal structure here. We've gotten this internal structure here. That is a break of structure. Now you see why it is important for you to learn how to read the market structure so that you would know what is going on before you start clicking the buy button or the sell button. So now we have this break of structure here, which has given us this origin to look out for. Now, since we have a break of structure, let's map out the last candlestick before the impulsive movement, like this. So since we have a break of structure here, this can also be a point of interest for us. So let's refine down to 2 hours. Now refining it to 2 hours is still aligning with that of 4 hours. So we'll just leave it here. So just because we have this break of structure to the downside, we're going to wait for price here. But as we're waiting for price, we need to read this internal structure, because this is more like a correctional movement from XAUUSD. So this is the one that is very clear. We have this break of structure here. And now you can see price has tapped into the origin that caused this break of structure and is trying to push up. So we may be looking to catch a quick buy on gold. That is this correctional movement. But let's see, because we are not taking any premature entry, guys. We need to trade smart. So we have this break of structure, and you can see from the imbalance, price just tapped in and it's pushing up. Let's look at it from 30 minutes. So from 30 minutes, the movement currently is choppy, but price has tapped in here, and I'm expecting this level to keep giving us a push to the upside. So for us to get in, I'm not going to tell us to, take any premature entry now. We need to get a clear break of this level, a break of structure like this. And then we'll look out for the origin and we can buy gold. But remember the trap we have above, which is this level. If price should get here, we'll be looking to take a sell there. We'll work with a confirmation entry because it is an origin from the higher time frame. So we're going to work with a confirmation entry, but from what is happening currently, this is the structure of what is happening currently. We would have, taken a buy from here if we made the market here, but since it has moved, entering now will be kind of risky. So we're going to wait for this level. If we get a break of this level, we're taking a buy. So if you are trading gold and you are in on this buy, you should be in massive profit now. You should be in massive profit. Or if you are not in, wait patiently for this level to break, then we'll get in. So for now, there is no instant execution setup on XAUSD. We just have a lookout. So let's look at another currency. So I'll still be looking at XAUSD. If there's anything, I will inform us in the group. So let's look at another currency. Let's look at BTC. BTC traders, are you here? BTC traders, are you in the house? BTC traders, are you here? So if you're here, don't just wait for signals. Also watch how I am doing my analysis, because it will help you when you're trading on your own, so that you can easily read the market structure clearly and take your trades, take good trades, smart trades. So looking at BTC, BTC is bullish. Why is it bullish? So I'm just going to look at the most recent structures now. So if you check, this is the most recent breakout structure on BTC from the daily time frame. So this structure here, we have a breakout structure, and you can see that market is already reacting, to the origin, and it's pushing up. So let's look at the structure from 4 hours. Refining it to 4 hours is from here. So price is tapped in, after we got this breakout structure. We also have this here, price has tapped in and it's pushing up. So let's read the structure here from 4 hours. So this being the most recent breakout structure, so I'm just going to outline it like this. Now the question would be, where is the origin? Because if you check, we have, this is an origin, and we also have an origin here, and we also have an origin here. So the question will now be, which origin should we be looking to take our trades from? So let's look at the 2 hours. So if we are looking at 2 hours, and guys, and I know most of you may be having these issues when you have a lot of origins, for those of you that are just joining me for the first time or learning my strategy for the first time. So when you have a lot of origins like this, all you just need to do is pick your fib tool and push it from the swing low to the swing high, and then you'll get to know the origin to work with. So if you are to take your entries from 2 hours, this is actually the extreme level. So this is where you should be waiting for. But let's keep refining until we get to our entry time frame. So going to 1 hour, this here is a valid origin, because if you check, we got a breakout structure here, and you can see price tapped in and it dished out a new breakout structure. So I'm trying to read the internal structures that are causing the multiple origins we have. So we have a breakout structure here, and we also have another breakout structure here, which has created this particular origin. So this is the breakout structure. And then let me make this straight. And then we also have another breakout structure here. This is a breakout structure. And then this one is the general breakout structure from the higher time frame. So let me just take that away to keep our charts clean. Okay, so if we are looking to take trades, it's a question for us in the comments. If you are looking to take trades, which origin will you be considering? First, second, or the third one? So I will wait for you guys to answer before I'll give you guys what I'll be looking out for. Which origin will you be looking to take trades from? We're looking at the 1 hour time frame now. So if you take entries from 1 hour, which origin will you be looking to take trades from? Someone said the second, third, first. Okay, let's keep pushing forward. So for me, I won't be considering this first one, but the second and the third, they are valid for me. So I am going to, because price is very far from the extreme origin, so it's going to be pending. So if I'm looking to take trades, this is the origin I'll be considering, the second one. I am not considering the first one because, okay, now we're looking at 30 minutes. We are very close to our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. So I've refined the origin to 30 minutes origin. So I can only consider this extreme level because I can only consider it if price should break this second origin. But considering the structure that we have currently, the second origin is likely going to hold, because if we start waiting for this one here, it may not be that realistic. It may be realistic if this one breaks or if this origin fails. So let's go down to our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. So looking at it for 15 minutes, okay, this is the origin here. So I'm not considering this one here because there's no liquidity. Price is going to sweep. Okay, I went to 5 minutes. This is 15 minutes. Okay. So I'm seeing this as, clear liquidities market will sweep before we'll get tapped in. Now, this is a break of structure, obviously, and I know most persons may have traps here. So this is too obvious, and when it's too obvious, you can get something on and let the market deliver its results. We'll wait for it here. We can only consider to take trades here from 15 minutes if market should tap in there and we've seen the reaction and it has given us a change of character that is about to push up from there, then we can get in. But for now, as we want to take an aggressive entry and set our traps, we need to Can you guys still see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Okay. So as we want to set our traps, we need to be very smart. So BTC is bullish and we'll wait for it here. But if market is coming down, if it gets to this origin, for us to take trades here, we'll work with confirmation because price may tap in, and once we get a change of character, since it's a 15 minutes order block, we can look out for confirmation from 5 minutes and join the buy here once price gets here. But if it's slashing down and it's trying to clear this, because I'm treating this as liquidity, then we're going to wait for it here. So let's set a trap on BTC here. And then for the stop loss, remember I said that the strategy will give you reasons for everything. Now for the stop loss, we are going to put our stop loss a little bit below the order block we are considering. So our stop loss is going to be around 41 pips. And you can see market has been ranging here since last night after we got this spike last night. So if we get a retracement from there, because I'm also looking to catch this retracement. So if we should get a break here and a little pushback, we can catch the correctional movement and maybe take profit at this level. But we're going to have this trap on BTC. So this is going to be a trade of 1:14 risk to reward ratio, because we'll be targeting up to 618 pips on BTC if we should get a slash down to this level. Okay, let's leave. Okay, 46 pips stop loss. So we're going to wait for it here, guys. You can see imbalance present. When you hear me say A plus setup, it simply means that all your confluences must be intact. All your confluences must be intact. Now, this is a strategy that can, even if you have your work and you think you don't have time for trading, this strategy will help you, because all you just need to do is read the market structure, set your traps, and go to work and come back, and you'll see your food will be served. If it's a good trade, it will serve you massive profits. If it's not a good one, it will serve you the loss that you've prepared for. That's why you should always trade with plans. So let's write out the coordinates, guys. So it's going to be a buy limit on BTC. Buy limit on BTC USD. a buy limit on BTC USD. And then our entry price, do I have those writing it out for me in the comments? Our entry price is going to be 96,304.94. And then our stop loss, which is 46 pips away, is going to be 95,836.89. And then our take profit, that is TP, our take profit, we are targeting up to 618 pips here. So in the situation, if you're trading with one lot size, if this trade should hit full TP, you are coming out with $6,000. So that's the type of trades we catch here. We're not joking. We're not here to joke around. So TP, we are targeting 102,490.86. So guys, remember to always have your plans, have everything all mapped out, apply proper risk management. So when it comes to proper risk management, it's relative. Whatever that is a proper risk management for you, apply that. Apply proper risk management. If you want to go all in and that is your proper risk management, go all in and make good money. Then if you're risking just 2% per trade, our stop loss is 46 pips. So what you just need to do is divide the percent you are willing to risk with your stop loss, and you will get the lot size you will use for this trade. So it all depends on what you are willing to risk. Any percent, divide it with the stop loss, and you will have a clean lot size you will use for the trade. So let's see if we're going to get a slash down. Remember, from 15 minutes, we are still considering this level, but if price should get here, don't take an aggressive entry. Wait to see how market will react on this level. Because I know from 15 minutes, if you've gotten a lot of structures for 15 minutes, a lot of traders will be considering this level. But if you want to get in from here, we'll work with confirmation. But since we are setting a trap that we can leave and, get to do other things, because we don't need to stay glued to the chart. We have other things to do. So we'll set our traps here. But if you are very close to your screen and price gets here, work with confirmation entry. Is that clear, guys? Okay, let's look at GBPJPY. GBPJPY traders, are you here? GBPJPY, are you here? Okay. So I've analyzed XAUSD, BTC, and we are looking at GBPJPY. So the three pairs I have looked at, or because now I'm currently looking at GBPJPY, I trade them. They are my favorite pairs. So you can see I'm trying to touch a lot of pairs today because I can see in the comments a lot of EURUSD. We'll look at that too. So we are looking at GBPJPY from the higher time frame, the daily time frame. Now, if you're wondering why I always look at the daily time frame, guys, I need to understand the structure. I don't just open the chart and start looking for trades immediately. I need to understand the structure. So if you can recall, since last year, price has been reacting on this particular origin. And let me know, hope you've not forgotten, with all the Xmas groove and the rest, let me know those that are still up and doing. Whenever price taps into an origin, what are we expecting? The origin must do what? What is the mission of an origin? Whenever price taps into an origin, what is the mission? Hope you've not forgotten with Xmas groove. What is the mission? Whenever price taps into an origin, what is the mission of the origin? Okay, give us a new BOS. That is it. That is it. That is it. You guys are still updated. Okay. Now, if you check this break of structure we have here, we are expecting price to come and clear this level here to give us a new break of structure. Now, price has tapped in and it is still pushing up since last year. You can see when price tapped in around August 2024, and it has been dancing around. It's yet to give us a new break of structure, but that simply means we are still bullish on GBPJPY. So we're going to read the internal structures and know the traps. We're going to say it so that we can join the trend. Okay, we have a break of structure here. We also have another break of structure here to the upside. Now, if you check this level, this is actually where, market has reacted from, and it's pushing this level here. So we're going to look at it from 4 hours. We've mapped out all the visible structures from the daily time frame. Now let's look at it from 4 hours and also read the structure. So refining it to 4-hour OB. So this is where price, tapped in from. Okay, looking at it from 4 hours, we have another block here. We have an order block here and price tapped in. So the structure we're going to read now is what is going on here. That's from this level. And if you check, the most recent break of structure is this one. I'm trying to work with time, so that's why I'm not, trying to read all the structures. Market has already played out here, so we are working with the most recent. Okay, the most recent structure is this level, and you can see, oh, this is a sweet trade. Did anyone catch this buy on GBPJPY? Is anyone catching this buy? Someone said, I see a nice buy on GBPJPY. Is anyone catching this buy? So this is a clean trade. It tapped in from 4 hours. For those taking entries from 4 hours, they will catch this. It's a very clear. Okay, a lot of yes. You guys are making money. Wow. I'm yet to place a trade this year. I had a trap on BTC yesterday, but the market left me. But I believe today I'm packing out good funds. We are packing out together, guys. So if you check, even from 2 hours, it is aligning. This is a sweet buy to the upside. How many pips? That's like 346 pips. Wow. So looking at it from 1 hour. So even if you take entries from 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, you will catch this setup. This is a clean one. You can only miss this trade if you were not looking at the chart. But if you're looking at the chart, you should have this setup. If you were looking at the chart, you should be in on this trade. If you trade GBPJPY and you've looked at the chart recently, this is a clean trade. Okay, now, if you are not in, what is the next line of action? So from 30 minutes, we are seeing a new structure on how to join this particular buy. Now we've gotten a break of structure here. We've gotten a break of structure here to the upside. Where price tapped into, we're expecting it to come and give us a new break here. So take out this liquidity level here. So now from 30 minutes, if we want to join this particular buy, we can wait for it here. We can wait for it here, guys, from 30 minutes. But let's check from our entry time frame and know if we are taking entries from the right origin or if we are taking, and okay, we are on the right track, guys. So if we want to join this particular buy, for those that are not in from this level, this is another opportunity to join this buy. That is from here. Now let's check if all the confluences are intact. We have liquidity, price was sweep to tap in. And then we have equal movement here. We don't have a clear imbalance there. No clear imbalance. Let me view from 5 minutes, imbalance is not present. So Taking an aggressive entry there, we need to be very careful, because now if you check below from 15 minutes, we have an origin here that has an imbalance. So if we want to take entries from here, we'll wait for confirmation. But if we want to align with our A plus setup, this level will be a liquidity. It's going to be liquidity for us, because we'll be looking to join from here if we should get a slash down. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? So if we want to place our SL, is going to be a little bit below the origin we're considering, which is this level. So it's going to be 41 pips. And then if we should get a retracement, we'll take profit here, which is going to be 274 pips. Are you guys with me? So do you have same setup with me? You see all the things I consider when taking my trades. You don't just put your analysis and be begging the market. Be very smart. Trading is you take from the market or the market takes from you. So you need to be very smart. Now, market has placed this particular origin here so that they can steal from you. So you need to be very smart and run away and find the one that has everything intact. So all our confluences are intact. We also have imbalance present here. We also have imbalance present. So this is a good trap for us on GBPJPY to join the buy, because GBPJPY is bullish. So this is a good trap for us. I'm going to write out the coordinates. You are seeing how clean it is, guys. That is how you trade with peace of mind. So here, you don't need to come and stay too glued to your chart, working with all the candlestick movements, this and that. Just set your traps and allow the market to deliver the results. Set your traps. Remember, guys, don't forget, that is what we do for a living. We do what for a living, guys? I need you guys to answer in the comments. What do we do for a living? We have a buy limit on that's buy limit on GBPJPY. We set trap for a living. That is it. That is it. I've been waiting for that in the comments. We set traps for a living. I'll make our money. Buy limits on someone say robbing the market. We steal for a living. Oh, you guys are cracking me up. Okay. Buy limits on GBPJPY. So our entry price is let me take this out so that it will not confuse us. Okay, our entry price so our entry price is 195.483, and then our SL is 41 pips away, guys. I know why I'm calling it out. For those, you should have a certain percent you risk so that you will know the lot size you will use on this trade. And then our take profit, we are targeting 274 pips. That is TP. We are targeting 198.229. So guys, apply proper risk management. It all depends on the percent you are willing to risk. Remember, I said this, proper risk management is relative to what is okay for you. Whatever you call proper risk management is risk management for you. Apply proper risk management, guys. So this is what we are waiting for on GBPJPY. So let's see if markets will fall into our trap. This is the clean setup we are waiting for on GBPJPY to join the trend for those that are already in. So let's see if GBPJPY will fall into our trap. Let's keep moving forward. Let's look at US30. Do we have the US30 traders here? US30 traders, are you in the house? If you're not here, we'll look at another pair. If you trade US30, say yes in the comments. FX SMC, thank you for typing out the coordinates for me in the comments. US30 traders, are you here? Someone say yes, Zaddy. Who is your Zaddy? Hope it's not me. Okay. So from the daily time frame, we're looking at US30. So we have a break of structure. And then this is the origin, and you can see price has tapped in. Okay, that simply means we are bullish on US30, price has tapped in. Now looking at it from 4 hours, if we are refining it to 4 hours origin, you will see that price has not tapped into the 4 hours origin, but it has tapped into the fair value gap. That's the 4 hours fair value gap. That is where price tapped into. 4 hours fair value gap. So we need to read the structure on what is going on here. So we have an internal break of structure here. We have an internal break of structure here. And then as price has tapped into the origin that caused that internal break of structure, and it is moving. So let's go to 2 hours to keep reading. Okay, 2 hours aligning. Now we have, this is a new break of structure for us, very visible from 2 hours. So if we're looking out for the origin that caused this break of structure, it's going to be this level. Let me try shifting this and this. So this will be the origin that caused this break of structure from 2 hours. So let's go to 1 hour. So the order block candlestick is this bearish before the impulsive movement started. That is this bearish candlestick here from 1 hour. Okay. Then 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes is aligning. This one here. So let's see if we can also catch a massive buy. I know some people may be wondering, we are just buying. Work with what you see on the chart. Don't bring in sentiments when trading. Once you read the structure and it's screaming that you should buy. Okay, from 15 minutes, this is what we have here. Do we have all the confluences intact? We've gotten the break of structure, we have the origin, and then we have liquidities present that we're expecting market to clean and tap in. But if you look closely, imbalance is missing. So even if we extend to 5 minutes, let's check, is there any imbalance present? Even from 5 minutes, there's no imbalance. So this is not, once I have my confluences missing, one, I'm not going to call that an A+ setup, but if you look at this setup, it looks probable. So instead of taking an aggressive entry, we're going to take a confirmation entry on this. So I'm not going to call out the coordinates, because once I send out the coordinates, once I have a setup and the coordinates are out, we're working with aggressive entry. But now, I'm not going to drop the coordinates. So here, we're going to work with confirmation. I'm just going to put an alert on this. So that whenever market taps in, I will get an alert. And then if I get the confirmation I need, I can call out the trade. So for now, let's just see if we'll get a slash down here. Market is still reacting around this level here. It can decide to push up from there, then we can work with the new structures. But for now, we're going to wait. I have an alert there. So once price gets in, we'll work with confirmation. All right, let's look at GBPUSD. I believe I'll have a lot of traders, trading GBPUSD because it's a very popular pair. Are you guys in the house? GBPUSD traders. GBPUSD, are you here? If you're not here, we'll look at another currency. I need to see the yes in the comments. Are you here? Okay. So looking at it from the daily time frame, we have a break of structure. And now, guys, if you can remember this origin, if you follow my live trading section, we'll be waiting for price here. Even as price, try to trick a lot of traders into moving from here. We'll be waiting for this origin for market to tap into this origin. And now it's finally there because that is actually the origin that caused the break of structure I've just mapped out. So price has been trying to tap into inducements, but now it's finally here. It has tapped in. So I think that's indicating that GBPUSD is bullish, even as it has given us a rally to the downside. That's this bearish momentum. But now, before we declare GBPUSD bullish, you can see that we have an internal break to the downside, which was the last break of structure to the downside before market tapped into this origin and introduced the buyers. So let's look at 4 hours. So looking at it from 4 hours, price has given out an impulsive movement. We need a break of this level because as this is a break of structure, sellers may come in from here and send it back down. So we need a break of this level to be sure that GBPUSD is bullish. So once we get a break of this level, it's going to give us a change of character. Let's look at it from 2 hours. It's going to give us a change of character. So as price is yet to give us that break, this is the origin we should be considering, which is this bearish origin here. This one here. So let's look at it from 1 hour. Refining it from 1 hour. So now, guys, from the higher time frame, price has tapped into this demand zone. But remember, we have the last break of structure to the downside. So for us to be sure that GBPUSD is bullish, we need this level to break. So since that level is yet to break, we're going to set a trap there. But we're going to work with confirmation, considering that price is pushing up from a strong demand zone, so that we'll not just take an aggressive entry and then it will go straight to our SL. We're going to work with confirmation, and you can see the momentum price is coming in with. We're looking at it now from 30 minutes. Let's go down to our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. Okay, this is it from 15 minutes. Let's go back to 30 minutes so that it will be clear. Right. So for this one on GBPUSD, we have a trap here, but we're not going to take an aggressive entry. I'm not going to call out the coordinates so that you won't place the buy limit, and then we're going to work with confirmation entry here, considering how price is coming in and it is pushing up from a strong demand zone from the higher time frame. Remember, if this level breaks, we'll confirm that GBPUSD is bullish and we'll start buying. But for now, since this level is still here, we are still seeing potentials of a drop. Is that clear, guys? Is it clear? So this is a clean setup. Now, if you check, all the confluences are intact. We have FVG here. And then we have liquidity. The price needs to sweep to tap into our origin. So we would have taken an aggressive entry because this is an A+ setup for us, but price is pushing up from a strong demand zone. So we need to be careful. We'll work with confirmation. Let's see what price will do once it gets to our origin. So since we've gotten our origin from the lower time frame, if we are waiting for the confirmation, we'll have to go down to 5 minutes and wait for change of character. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 1 minute, and wait for change of character to get in. So I have an alert there. So once price gets here, we'll be notified that price is reacting on our origin, and then we'll know the next line of action to take. Okay, I've seen EURUSD too much in the comments. Let's look at it. Although it moves hand in hand with GBPUSD. So EURUSD traders, I've seen a lot of that in the comments. So are you here now? Because we are looking at, someone is asking in the comments, what is imbalance? Imbalance simply means the gap price creates on the charts. We have a lot of videos that will be dropping in the, like, on YouTube that will help you understand each concept of this strategy. So just stay tuned. That's why I said subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, go ahead, click the subscribe button now, and turn on the notification bell so that you always be notified when videos drop. Just make sure you click the subscription button now, and then don't just subscribe. You need to turn on the notification bell so that once I drop a video, you will get the notification that there is a new video. But imbalance simply means the gap price creates on the chart. Okay. EURUSD traders, are you here? So if you check, EURUSD is kind of choppy, but now if you see clearly from the daily time frame, this is the origin it has tapped in from. That is here. And it's still having same structure with GBPUSD because this is the last break of structure to the downside before it tapped into the demand zone. So looking at it from 4 hours, let's align this well. Looking at it from 4 hours, this is now for EURUSD. If I'm trying to map out the origin that caused this break of structure, we're going to be looking at this level here because we also have a break of structure there to the downside, and market is here to tap into the origin. So I'm going to treat this one here as an inducement that price will, clear to tap into the right origin. So if we are viewing it from 2 hours, it's going to be this bearish candlestick here, as this one here. And then from 1 hour, okay, from 1 hour, I still aligning. It's going to be this tiny bullish candlestick here. Okay. And then from 30 minutes, okay, still aligning with what we have from 1 hour. And then if you also look at it for 15 minutes, this is it too, aligning. So everything here is considered as, liquidity price is going to sweep to tap in. So just the same rules on GBPUSD. We're going to wait for that too on EURUSD. So we're going to wait for that too on EURUSD. I'm also going to have an alert. If you check, let me zoom in so that you will see the imbalance for the person that asked. Now, if you check, we have a gap after this impulsive movement to the downside. Instead of price to, open to cover up this gap, they continue to push to the downside. So it has created an imbalance from here to here. And you can see price tapped into the imbalance a little bit, but there is still, we still have some gap there. So this is the gap that is left. So that's the imbalance, and this is the liquidity. Price will sweep. So guys, it's not going to be an aggressive entry. I'm also going to have an alert set there so that we'll wait for confirmation entry from that level. Hope you guys know why we are waiting for confirmation entry. Okay, I can see USDJPY, the comment. So let's look at USDJPY From the higher time frame, hope you guys know why we are waiting for confirmation entry on GBPUSD and EURUSD. Okay, for USDJPY, we've gotten it's having same structure with GBPJPY. So we have this break of structure and price has tapped in, and obviously we are waiting for it to clear this origin. So we're still bullish to clear this key level here. So we're still bullish. You can see price, we got a break of structure here. So it reacted off the origin created here, and we're still pushing to the upside. We're still pushing to the upside here. So this is the most recent break from the daily time frame. So let's look at it from 4 hours. So from 4 hours, if we're looking to take our trades, this is the most recent origin that we should be considering for price to come and tap into. This is the most recent origin. Then 2 hours, it is aligning. 1 hour. Now, if you check from 1 hour, we also have an origin here, we have an origin here, but all those things are inducements for me. So I'm not going to, take trades from all those levels. Then from 30 minutes, now if you check from 30 minutes, we have recent structures. Which is this, there's a break now. And this origin as price tapped in. Okay. It triggered a break. So now the question is, should we be considering this level to take a buy from here? Honestly, guys, I won't be comfortable, to take a buy from this level. But remember, if we get a confirmation, we can get in. So, but if you're looking to set a trap, our buy limit trap, setting a trap here will be a little bit risky. But if you're very close to your chart, if price should come here, watch the reaction. If we see confirmation that that is a change of character, that it is about to push up, we'll join there. But if we want to set trap, this is going to be the ideal level. This level here. So this one, we can work with confirmation once price gets here, but I'm not going to set any trap there now. So this particular order block has been tapped into. Here we'll work with confirmation, so I'm just going to leave it pending. But if we want to set trap, in case price wants to clear all these inducements here, then we'll wait for it on as this level here. Because if you check from 1 hour, everything there is, screaming liquidity. And then all the confluences are intact. We have imbalance here. We have FVG here. So we'll wait for price to get into this level. Stop loss a little bit below the origin we are targeting. So our stop loss is going to be 41 pips, guys. Okay, let's just leave it at 42 pips. So if we should get the retracement we need, that is from this level, that will be our take profit level. So we'll be targeting for 84 pips on this trade. Okay, buy limit on USDJPY. Is that clear, guys? Buy limit on USDJPY. Are you guys with me? Entry price 153.503 SL. Someone is asking, is imbalance same as FVG? Yes, it is. Please, are we waiting for confirmation on EURUSD? Yes, we are. SL 153.066. Take profit. So what number is our take profit? Okay, take profit is 158.317. You know the drill. Apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. Let's go, guys. So we have a trap on USDJPY. Let's see if market will fall into our trap. So remember what I said here. Don't try to take an aggressive entry here. Watch to see how the market will react, because this is from 1 hour. You've seen that everything is liquidity and we may get a drop up to this level. So, but if price should get here and start reacting, go down to the lower time frame and look out for change of character before you get in. Is that clear? Thank you for writing out the coordinates FX SMC. Is that clear, guys? No room for premature entries. Be very smart when trading. When trading, it's not compulsory that you must get into the market immediately. Set your traps, look out for the strategic levels and set your traps. The aim is for you to make money. It's not about how many trades you've taken. It's about the quality of the trades you are taking. So you need to make sure anything you are taking is top notch, guys. Top notch. I see US oil in the comments. Let's look at US oil. So after US oil, I'll analyze one more pair and then I will drop a link where you can join my Telegram group. And if you check the description, you will see that my WhatsApp number is there. So you can just, message me. You can do your own setup, message me. Then also a lot is going on in the VIP group. Don't miss out on that. If you want to join the premium class, that is the private class, the VIP class, you can also message me and I will send you the packages so that you will pick. We have the monthly class, we have the yearly, we have the lifetime. You can just pick the category you want and then you will join the class. Have that in mind. Someone is saying I should analyze gold. Gold was actually the first thing we analyzed. So maybe you joined late. So after this class, you can, check our analysis on XAUSD. Okay, US oil, we have a choppy movement here, but let's get to understand what is going on. So price has been, consolidating here. We're looking at US oil now, guys, from the higher time frame. Price has been consolidating here and we've gotten a break to the upside. And now, even with the break to the upside, it's still reacting to a key level, so we need to be very careful. Looking at it from 4 hours, what is the next line of action? Okay, US oil, it's looking very tricky. So let's see, because it is dropping a lot of origins, because now this is the most recent break of structure now. So this is an origin which price is reacting to, But now if you check, we also have a massive origin to the downside. So this is also an origin. So let's view from 2 hours. Okay, from 2 hours, we can work with this level as an origin. Now if you also check, we have an origin here. But this one is going to be pending. We're going to work with the most recent, which is this level. So from 1 hour, 1 hour, this will be the origin we'll be waiting for price to get into. Now, you can see the breakout structure I was talking about. It's clear right here from 1 hour. And price is here to tap in here. So we need to also watch what the market will do here. We need to work with confirmation there. But then if we want to set trap, it's going to be here, guys. Well, considering this level, you know why I am considering this level now, this one? Because there's actually, it has cleared an inducement liquidity, because this is also a breakout structure. This is also a breakout structure. So it has cleared an inducement liquidity here. So this is it. And then we also have imbalance present. That is FVG. So price may tap in here and keep pushing to the upside. But then we also have this extreme level here. And then everything we have above can be the liquidity for this one. So if I'm to wait the trade here, it's kind of 50-50, but here will be 70-30 for me. So 45 pips stop loss, we'll target it here. So this origin here, we just need to wait to see what price will do there. So is it clear? Because I know sometimes when you're analyzing on your own, you can be confused like this. You need to stick to the recent origins. Okay. Now, even from 30 minutes, this is it. So let's see what price will do here. Work with confirmation here, but this here is an aggressive entry if we should get a drop, because once price clears all this liquidity and drops to this level, it's a tap and it will push up. Let's also view from 15 minutes. So you see what I'm talking about. It's clearer here. You can also see another inducement here. So if we want to work here, confirmation, go to 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or 1 minute, look for confirmation. But if we want to set our aggressive entry trap, it's here, guys. Is that clear? It's it clear, guys? Okay. So let's write out the coordinates by limit on US oil entry price, entry price 71.149, SL Our SA is 45 pips away, 70.692. And then take profit. We are targeting 380 pips as 1:8 risk to reward ratio. So take profit 74952. Okay, apply proper risk management. All right, so that's what we have on US oil. Is it clear, guys? Thanks for writing out the coordinates, because remember what I stated, guys. Don't just watch for signals, also understand how to do it yourself clearly. You see how I take my time to stick to extreme levels, because there are some traders that will try to, start stacking up here, just watch. We may consider this level if price should tap in, because you can see the momentum it is building very close to it. If price should tap in and we get change of character from the lower time frame, we'll get in. But then everything here, if price should clear all the liquidity tapping here, it's an aggressive entry because we expect it tap. If you check, there's no other liquidity price needs to sweep, so it will be a straight movement to the upside. Okay, which pair should I analyze last before I end the section? Okay, which pair? I see GBPAUD. Okay, let's look at that. Let's look at GBPAUD, and that will be all for today. So remember, my WhatsApp number is on the description, so you can just copy that. You can message me there if you have any question. You can message me there if you want to join the VIP group. You can also click the link in bio to visit the website and pick any package of your choice there, or you can message me. I will just send it and you can finish up the payment on WhatsApp. Okay, GBPAUD. So from the daily time frame, it is screaming bullish. It is screaming bullish. Now, if you check, this is a break of structure. Price tapped in, created another break of structure. So this is an origin, but if you check where price is reacting to, we have a break of structure here, and price is reacting to the origin. Let's look at it from 4 hours. So 4 hours, you can see the break of structure here. If we're to refine it to 4 hours, it's going to be here. So this is the trap we have. So this is the origin we're going to start refining. 2 hours aligning with that of 4 hours. Like this. 1 hour. And then 30 minutes. Entry is straightforward, guys. Everything is obvious. So let's also check from our entry time frame 15 minutes. I'm not live with my monitor, so that's why when we go to 15 minutes, it's kind of, if I zoom out, it will be tiny. Okay. So this is it. We have a trap. All our confluence is intact. We have an imbalance here. Liquidity. And then wait for price to get here. Stop loss a little bit below our level, so it's going to be 50 pips. We'll target this level as our take profit. So guys, once you master it and you get your setup, now I keep saying this, most of you think there is certainty in trading. It's all about sticking to your strategy that works for you. The trade that will change your life, you don't know. So it's just you sticking to your rules, taking nice setups and letting it ride for you, and then you make your money. I'm seeing Happiness Handsome in the comments. Happiness I don't know. Please don't spoil my name. It's Happiness Hansen. Happiness Hansen. Someone is asking what is liquidity. After this section, please check out the videos I have on my YouTube channel. There's a video where I explain liquidity. Watch the videos. But guys, stay tuned. I keep saying this. Click the link to subscribe so that you will get notifications on the videos dropping and you will watch immediately so that you will not be late. You need to be up to date so that whenever we are doing our live section, you understand what is going on. Okay, we have a buy limit on GBPAUD. If you trade this pair, say yes in the comments, GBPAUD. If you trade this pair, GBPAUD, say yes in the comments, 198. 314. SL. SL is 50 pips away, guys. 1.97815. TP. 2029. Apply proper risk management. Okay, as you can see, a lot of traders apply proper risk management. All right, so that will be all for today. So guys, if you want to be moving on the same pace with me this year, then you need to get access to the VIP group, because the VIP group, we get to trade daily. Or if you're just in the free group, you may just have access to our live sections every Tuesday and maybe the trades we have to drop on Tuesday. So imagine if you're getting all these things for free, imagine what will be going on in the VIP group. So if you want to be moving on the same pace with me, try and get access to the VIP group. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number in the comments. So all you just need to do is message me there. We have the monthly, yearly, and lifetime. You message me and then you can pick the package you want to work with. And then if you also have any question, you can drop for me there. So for those in the VIP group, our classes, we are starting on Thursday. We're starting immediately, and we have new courses dropping there too. New courses will be dropping for those in the VIP group, because I know you guys are also present on this live section. We have, yes. The courses are dropping soon. A lot of updates are on the course I'm preparing for you guys, a lot. You cannot watch it and you will not become profitable this year. I'm not trying to exaggerate, guys. But you will see. You will see for yourself. I have a lot in stock for you guys. Okay, my WhatsApp number is in the comments, so you can just copy that and message me immediately. You can message me. So, guys, thanks for joining. And don't forget, remember, I was looking at the comments before the live section started that most of you don't know the timing. Every Tuesday we go live, we'll catch trades like this, we'll make good money. So every Tuesday, 9 a.m., 9 a.m. West African timing. You join, we'll catch good trades together. So all these traps we have, number one, if you want to trade all the pairs, all the traps we have, you can go ahead and, set your traps, applying proper risk management, you take the trades. But if you have few pairs that you trade and we have traps set on them, you can go ahead and set your traps, sticking to your plan and risk management strategy, and then you take your trade. So it's not compulsory that you must place everything. That's why I take my time to analyze different pairs, because even me, I only trade 4 pairs: BTC, GBPJPY, gold, and US 30. So, and if I'm taking my trades, they are the ones I'll be taking. But I try my best to make sure I touch other pairs, because most traders may not be trading same thing with me. So that's the essence of this live trading section. So bye for now, guys. Remember, if you want, like I stated, if you want to be on the same pace with me this year, try and be present. Join the VIP group. Join the VIP group. A lot is going on. So bye for now, guys. If you enjoyed the section, let me get some fire emojis in the comment before I end the section. Burn the section, guys. Burn the comment section. Burn the comment section. If you enjoyed today's section, drop some fire emojis in the comment. I said drop some fire emojis, not love emojis. Fire emojis. Okay, guys. Bye. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I love you all. We must become profitable. We're packing our good funds. Bye, guys.